Hello.
Hello.
And your name is?
Rick Schmull.
And you're from?
I'm originally from Amsterdam, Holland, but I've lived here for 37 years.
Okay.
And I'm 72 years young.
Fantastic. Okay. What are you going to be doing today?
I'm going to play a piano improvisation.
Oh, great.
This is dedicated to my cat.
What's your cat called?
My cat is called Meow Meow.
Meow meow. Good luck.
Oh, I love it. Oh my God, I love it. There's Meow Meow.
Oh, it's on his shoulder. That's nice, look, Meow Meow. Or the cat's on the other shoulder. That's a good one. That's a good one.
I'm not really interested in looking at his cat.
Revisit 10 years of Britain's Got Talent by clicking the info card in the corner to discover more.